We're back with another how-to video, and I'm showing you how this application of Chatgpt is all over the news. Guys, follow these how-to videos if you want to see exactly what Chatgpt, but it's literally passing tests, passing exams. It's doing everything you think you could do. Now, what people are missing is you can actually make money with this on Fiverr. Okay, look how the virtual chatbots raise concerns for teaching academies because it's so clever. Everybody's using it. Guys, you need to be using Chatgpt if you want to be making money online. Now, simple. Let's go over to Fiverr and see how you can make money with this. Go onto Fiverr.com. It's a freelancing agency where you get paid for doing freelancing work. So let's think, what could you get paid for doing on Chatgpt? Anything with a language needed processor. So let's have a look on here, browsing categories, graphic design, digital marketing, writing, translation, all of them you can definitely do. Article, blogs, proofreading, translation, website content. Every single one of these, all you have to do is go into Chatgpt and just type it in. Okay, once a person sends you a request, can you make me a website or a YouTube script for elephants? Then you just go and type that in Chatgpt and guess what? It comes up. It's super easy. Follow this channel for more how to use Chatgpt and how to make money with it. Also, guys, like, follow, and subscribe for more.